In the previous tutorials, we have learned how to install Python on your local Ubuntu machine, and we also installed an IDE, that is Jupyter Notebook. If you don't watch those videos, please go and check them. The links will be in the description because you should have installed Python on your machine and you should definitely have an IDE with you. So let's start. Let's start my Jupyter Notebook. See, my Jupyter Notebook had been opened. See, let me navigate to desktop here, and I want to create a Python 3 file, so that's why I'm opening a new file and I'm naming it as tutorial1 getting started. This is the file name, and if you know how to write a Python simple code, that's simple and you can skip this. And if you don't know, let me start with the printf hello world. You know, right? If you want to print something in C, we'll be using printf. In Java, we'll be using system.out.println. Likewise, in Python, we'll be using printf. Instead of it, you have to give what are the values that you want to pass. See, I'm going to print hello world. See, this is a simple print statement. If I can run this, see, hello world. Likewise, you can create your statements like I am Sukresh. See, it got executed. I am Sukresh. So this is how you make a simple Python hello world. If you want to save this file, save all this code into your file, you can go to files and download as Python file. See, it's asking me to show the location and I'm going to save it on the desktop. Let me open the directory and see how does it looks like. See, this is the code. This is how we write Python code. And one more important thing about Python is Python uses indentation. Indentation in the sense you actually no need to write the braces, flower braces that we use in C or Java. You just need to have indentation. Let's type. In C we'll be using like this, right? If 4 less than 5, print hello. But instead of this, in Python we are removing all these flower braces. Instead of that, we'll be using a colon here and we want it to be indented. Indentation means you have to give a specific number of spaces. Here I'm giving it as a tab. See, that's the space that defines that all the statements with this indentation belongs to if statement. So after that I'll be printing remaining things also, like hello world. If I want to print away from the if condition, so that is else print I am not. If I can run this, see, it's just showing hello and world only. It's not showing I am not. See, so print I am not belongs to else block. Print hello, print world belongs to if block. So this is what called indentation. This is for the today's session. Thank you.